Hi everyone, welcome back to my video. Today we will know 10 mind-blowing facts about Islamic religious practice and belief. So let's get started. Prayer 5 times a day. Muslims are required to perform 5 daily prayers facing the Kaaba in Makkah. This practice, known as Salat, fosters a strong connection between the individual and Allah throughout the day. Fasting during Ramadan. During the holy month of Ramadan, Muslims fast from dawn until sunset, refraining from eating or drinking. This spiritual practice serves as a means of self-discipline, reflection, and increased devotion. Zakat and charity. Muslims are encouraged to give to those in need through a mandatory form of almsgiving called zakat. This practice helps redistribute wealth within the community and promotes social justice. Hajj pilgrimage. Every able-bodied and financially capable Muslim is required to make a pilgrimage to Makkah at least once in their lifetime. The Hajj pilgrimage is a massive gathering of millions of Muslims from all around the world. The Quran's literary excellence. The Quran is considered the finest work in classical Arabic literature, even by the non-Muslim scholars. Its eloquence, rhythm, and unique style have never been matched. The Quran's scientific verses. Some Muslims believe that the Quran contains scientific information that was ahead of its time. They point to verses that they claim predict scientific discoveries, although interpretations vary widely. The concept of jihad. Jihad is a complex and often misunderstood concept in Islam. While it can refer to struggle or striving in the path of God, it has been misused by extremists to justify violence. The majority of Muslims reject such interpretations. The significance of Friday. Friday, also known as Jummah, is considered the holiest day of the week in Islam. Congregational prayers are held and Muslims are encouraged to attend the Friday sermon, also known as khutbah, and prayers. The importance of family. Family is highly valued in Islam. Muslims are encouraged to maintain strong family ties and to provide for their relatives, especially parents, in their old age. Diverse interpretations. Islam has diverse schools of thought and interpretations such as Sunni, Shia, Sufi, and various subgroups within these categories. This diversity reflects the rich tapestry of Islamic thought and practice. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please share, like, and subscribe.